Hello everyone. This video is about the development of our to-do list app project. So basically, we can see there are three files listed out: index.html, styles.css, and todo.js. This app is developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we can see the HTML file over here. So which will contain a header to-do list app, and here we can see the input. Input is basically whatever we enter in the search bar for adding in a list, and submit is for just submitting the whatever entered in the search bar. And total task will list out the items in the to-do list. So this URL will this will be called in a JavaScript file. So basically to list out the items entered in the search bar. So JavaScript file is called over here, and also CSS file is called over here, and basic styling is done for CSS using styles.css. We will check the JavaScript file, and basically we will have the functionalities like adding the task, deleting the task, and checking the task. Well, basically uncheck and check and delete those items, and all those functions will be there. And first we will go through the add task. Add task will be done whenever we can see the we click on the add add button in the view. So here in view, if we click on the add, the items will be added. So basically this is the one. Uh, and we at the top we define the various constant for getting the elements. So here we can see these identifiers are present in the HTML for various things. The various identifiers are there, and we will go whenever we click this function will be called handle input key press. This will basically handle the key input whenever we input the click on the add task. So whatever value it is present in the search bar, it will be added. Uh, if your value is not present, it will show like the task text cannot be empty. You can see here. So it will show basically task text cannot be empty. So if there is a value, the value will be copied to the text, and it will be value. There will be a constant task which will contain the text which is present in the search bar, and your unique identifier, which is basically the date, which will be converted into the string and a boolean character. And once we are done, we will reset it to the empty, so we can enter the new items next, and the add task function will be called. And here we can see the notification function. It will show the alert whichever we pass through that. So in the add task, there is a if the task is there, it will be pushed to the array, and it will be rendered to basically show the view, and it will show the show notification as a task added successfully. And here we can see render list basically to list view the elements present in array. So it will call the function here. So add task to DOM. So here the element is created for listing. So where it will contain a checkbox, it will contain the value present in the task search bar, and there will be delete icon for deleting the items. So and there is a delete function to delete the items. So here we can see delete items. So this is a function to delete items. It will filter out the ID passed, and that will be copied to the task array. So the ID which is passed, other than that, all the others will be rendered. And similarly, there is a toggle task. Toggle task will be done whenever we enter any new element over here. So we can see we added the task. So this is a toggle task. So it will the check and uncheck the box. So this will be called by here. So whenever we get click events, like if you click on a delete item, delete button, this will be called delete task. And if you click on the checkbox, this will be called for toggling. So toggling, here we can see toggle task. So basically it will identifier will be passed, task ID will be passed, And here we can see the task. That task will be copied to the current task. So it will change the value of our boolean. If it is true, it will be false. For if it is false, it will be true. So and the view will be rendered, and render here we can see used to list out the items. So basically, this is all about the to-do list tab. We can delete here. So deleted the items. So we can add, and it will list out the task, how many task is present. And if we check, it will check this, uncheck, we can uncheck this, can delete the item. Currently no task is present. This is all about the to-do app. Thank you all.